Good morning, project managers. Here's some food for thought for today. How do you see yourself in your project manager role? Do you see yourself as someone who's organized meetings and distribute project report? Or do you see yourself as someone who's leading the team and be responsible for the project outcome? Project management is a leadership role, but not all project managers are project leaders. So how you see yourself in this role is going to fundamentally changes how you show up at the project every day. If you see yourself as someone who is organizing meetings and taking meeting minutes, you're going to show up very passive every day at the project because you're playing a facilitator role. If you see yourself as someone who's leading the team, driving the project outcome, you're going to show up every day very assertive, and you have strong sense of ownership of the project success, and you're playing a project leader role. So whether you're perceived as a project manager or a project leader really depends on how you see yourself in this role. Here's a question for you. Which type of project manager you're going to be today?